Today we're taking a closer look at the Ultenic Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a feature-packed cleaning solution designed to combine powerful suction, smart controls, long battery life, and exceptional convenience. Whether you're cleaning hardwood floors, carpets, pet hair, furniture, or hard-to-reach spaces, this vacuum is built to make household cleaning easier and more efficient. One of the most impressive specifications is the powerful 650W motor that generates up to 55 kPa suction power. This high-performance cleaning system helps lift dust, debris, pet hair, and deeply embedded dirt from a variety of surfaces. From everyday messes to more demanding cleaning jobs, the Ultenic vacuum is designed to provide consistent performance throughout your home. Another major highlight is its up to 80 minutes of runtime. Long battery life allows users to clean multiple rooms or even an entire home on a single charge. This extended operation makes it ideal for larger households that require more cleaning time without frequent interruptions for charging. One feature that truly sets this vacuum apart is the innovative 180-degree bendable wand. Cleaning under beds, sofas, tables, and low furniture often requires bending or kneeling. With the flexible wand design, users can easily reach difficult areas while maintaining a more comfortable cleaning posture. The vacuum also features a modern touchscreen control panel that provides quick access to settings and operating information. This smart interface helps users switch between cleaning modes and monitor performance with ease, giving the vacuum a premium and user-friendly feel. Pet owners will appreciate the anti-tangle brush design. Hair wrapping around brush rollers can reduce cleaning efficiency and require frequent maintenance. The anti-tangle system helps minimize hair buildup while maintaining smooth operation and strong suction performance. Another convenient feature is the self-standing design. Unlike many cordless vacuums that need wall mounts or support brackets, this model can stand independently when not in use. This adds convenience during cleaning breaks and simplifies storage. The lightweight cordless construction makes it easy to maneuver around furniture, stairs, and tight spaces. It can also be converted for handheld cleaning tasks, making it useful for furniture, upholstery, shelves, vehicle interiors, and other hard-to-reach locations. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, daily dust, crumbs, or deep carpet cleaning, the Ultenic Cordless Vacuum Cleaner combines powerful performance with intelligent design features that improve both convenience and cleaning efficiency. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, check out the product using the link below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gadgetverse reviews.